solve. X times the quantity negative 2x plus 3 equals negative 1 by using the quadratic formula. To use the quadratic formula, we need to put this equation in standard form. That means we need to distribute the x. So we get negative 2x squared plus 3x. We need to add 1 to each side, and so we now have negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. In this case, A is equal to negative 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 1. So the quadratic formula tells us that x will be equal to negative b, so that's negative 3, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 3 squared, minus 4 times a, which is negative 2, times c, which is 1. And all of that is divided by 2 times a. So that would be 2 times negative 2. Simplifying, we have x equals negative 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8 times 1 is still positive 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So we have negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 17, and that's all over a negative 4. Now we could leave our answer that way, or we could note that if we divide each term in the numerator by a negative 1, we can rewrite the answer as 3 plus or minus the square root of 17 divided by 4. Realizing that when you divide plus or minus by the negative, they do reverse, but that still means we'd have negative and positive, which we still write as plus or minus. So our answer is 3 plus or minus the square root of 17, all divided by 4.